Have you ever felt like the world is just too loud? Bad news everywhere, problems piling up, and people complaining about the same things every single day. Sometimes, you just want silence, but your mind won't stop talking. Epictetus, a Stoic philosopher, once said, "We are not disturbed by what happens, but by how we think about it." Simple words yet so deep. Imagine standing in the middle of a storm. Everyone's panicking, shouting, blaming the weather. But you stay still, because you know, you can't control the rain. You can only control yourself. If you ever feel tired of this chaotic world, just pause for a moment. Take a breath, and ask yourself, what can I control right now? Because that's where true peace begins. Epictetus lived as a slave, yet his mind was free. He understood that happiness doesn't come from the outside, it comes from how we interpret life itself. So, starting today, when the world feels heavy, remember this: you don't have to control everything, you just have to control yourself.